Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to view archived messages on Airbnb. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Messages. On this page, you will see all your messages. On the upper left side of the screen, you will see an icon for settings. Click on the settings icon. A pop-up tab will then appear. Click on the option that says Archived. That's how you view archived messages on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.